In today's section, we are going to understand MySQL data types. Hi everyone, welcome back to Code School. I'm Pranadeep. Let's dive into MySQL data types. What are data types? Data types define what kind of data can be stored in a tables column in MySQL. Choosing the right data type is important to optimize storage and ensure data integrity. First, in numeric data types, int is 1, which is used to store whole numbers. And next, float and double for storing decimals. Here we need to specify digits and precision in brackets as shown in example. Now, string related data types. Varchar, which is used to store strings that are varying length like storing names and nationality. And here we need to specify maximum length of the string as shown in example. Next, char, which is similar to varchar but fixed in length. For suppose if we specify char 10 and stored a value of length less than 10 characters, also taken as 10 characters. For memory optimization, varchar is recommended to use varchar instead of char. And text is used of longer text. Good choice for paragraphs or descriptions. Date and time related data types are date to store date in the format as shown here. And date time to store both date and time. And timestamp, which is useful for tracking the system date and time. About timestamp we will discuss in further video. Boolean, which stores either true or false. Let's create a students table using these data types. Open the workbench. Click here to open the interface. Let's create a table now. Create table name students and bracket semicolon. In between brackets, first I will to specify an ID as s_id with int as data t. And next as name with varchar of size 100 and date of birth with date data tp. And is active with Boolean. And GPA with decimal as data type of 2 digits and precision 2 is specified. Once check all. And click on Control and Enter to execute this query. You can see this line that stated there is no error. Let's retrieve this table. Select star from student semicolon. And Control Enter. We can see the empty table structure. That's it for this video. We covered MySQL data types and table creation in this section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Code School. See you in next video.